Have you ever felt disappointed by AI results that seem bland, generic, or just plain boring? The truth is, the problem isn't the AI itself, it's how most people use it. Many treat AI like a search box, typing in simple requests like "write me a caption" or "give me ideas." The outcome? Average, uninspired results. But professionals don't just chat with AI, they engineer the outcome. In this video, you'll discover 5 prompt engineering frameworks that will transform you from a basic AI user into an advanced AI operator. By the end, you'll know how to turn AI from a random assistant into a creative system you can truly control. Let's break free from casual chatting and start engineering real results. Let's start with the most common mistake: chatting with AI instead of briefing it. When you type a vague prompt like "write me a social media post about my business," you're leaving too much to chance. The AI doesn't know your goals, audience, tone, or constraints. That's why the results sound generic. The creative brief prompt solves this by giving the AI a clear role, context, task, and boundaries, just like you brief a professional. For example, instead of saying, "write me a YouTube intro about AI," you might say, "act as a YouTube scriptwriter for an educational AI channel. My audience is creatives and entrepreneurs. Write a 30-second intro for a video titled 'Stop Chatting with AI.' Start engineering. Tone, punchy, clear, motivational, avoid jargon, create curiosity in the first 5 seconds. This structure alone can dramatically improve your results. Once you've crafted a strong prompt, you don't want to rewrite it every time. That's where the design template method comes in. Also known as variable prompting, this framework turns your one-time prompt into a reusable tool. Think of it like a design system. You keep the structure but swap out the details. For instance, you can create a template for social media captions where you simply fill in variables like business type, offer, audience, pain point, call to action, tone, and word count. This method lets you quickly adapt your prompt for a florist, a consultant, or a restaurant just by changing the variables. The more templates you build, the faster and more consistent your AI workflow becomes. It's about building systems, not just relying on inspiration. Sometimes even a strong template isn't enough, especially if you want a specific style or brand voice. That's where the style match method comes in. Instead of just telling the AI to make it sound premium, you show it examples of what you want. This is called multi-shot prompting. For instance, you might provide 3 sample captions that capture the tone and quality you're after, then ask the AI to write new captions in the same style. This way the AI understands rhythm, tone, and what to avoid. The result? Outputs that actually match your taste and brand. Use this method whenever you need a particular writing style, design direction, or content format. It's one of the easiest ways to upgrade from average to premium results. When your task is complex, you need more than a good example, you need a process. The step-by-step blueprint, also known as structured reasoning, gives the AI a sequence to follow. Instead of asking for a final answer right away, you break down the task into steps. Identify the customer, define needs, create positioning angles, recommend content pillars, suggest a plan, and summarize the reasoning. This approach is perfect for strategy, research, planning, and problem solving. By guiding the AI through a logical workflow, you get more reliable and thoughtful results. Remember, professionals think in sequence, so your prompts should too. Finally, let's talk about quality control. The AI review panel, or multi-agent prompting, asks the AI to review your work from multiple expert perspectives. Instead of a single answer, you get feedback from a strategist, a copywriter, a beginner, and a brand expert. Each gives a score, highlights strengths and weaknesses, and suggests improvements. This framework is invaluable for titles, scripts, business ideas, and more. You can even have the AI debate options and rank them. The result? Better creative decisions and higher quality outputs. Prompt engineering isn't just about writing, it's about thinking, testing, improving, and deciding with AI as your partner. Let's recap. The 5 frameworks: creative brief prompt, design template method, style match method, step-by-step blueprint, and AI review panel help you move from random prompts to repeatable systems. When you combine these, you stop using AI like a chatbot and start using it as a true production partner. You'll create better scripts, captions, designs, strategies, and decisions. The future belongs to those who can direct AI, not just use it. The real skill is thinking clearly, structuring instructions, and controlling the output. Next time you open ChatGPT, don't just ask a random question. Build the prompt, define the role, give context, set the task, add examples, create a process, and review the result. That's how you move from chatting with AI to engineering with AI.